you playing with the toys, Mia? Hi, Mia. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Here, come play with the toys. Yeah. Yeah, good job, Mia. Good job. Oh, she's looking at you, Kelsey. Do you see that? Mia's trying to look at you. Yeah. That's her mirror, yes. Oh, I don't think she wants that, Kelsey. Is that supposed to go in her hair? She doesn't really have much hair, so it doesn't stay there. Mia, can you say hi? Hi, Mia. Yeah. Oh, good. That's a good hi. Yeah. That's a good hi. Mia. Say hi. Hi, Mia. Kelsey. No, that's not what she wants. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Love you, Mia. Kelsey. No, Kelsey, don't do that, please. What color is that, Kelsey? What color is it? What color is it? No, not green. What color is it?
White.
Can you say blue? No.